Are you a music producer looking to improve your mixing skills in FL Studio? Today we are sharing the top FL Studio mixing tips for music producers in 2023. Alright, let's start with the number one on the list. Balance your levels. To achieve a professional sounding mix, at this point, make sure your individual tracks are balanced and sitting well together in the mix before applying any processing. Second on our list is EQ. Use EQ to shape the tone of your tracks and carve out space for each instrument in the mix. The third on our list is compression. Use compression to control the dynamic range of your tracks and add consistency to your mix. Number 4. Reverb. Use reverb to add space and depth to your tracks and create a sense of distance between different instruments in the mix. Fifth on our list is panning. Use panning to create a stereo image and add width to your tracks, and make sure to balance the panning of different instruments in the mix. The next is automation. Use automation to add movement and variation to your tracks and create dynamic and interesting mixes. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe. We hope these FL Studio mixing tips help you take your mixes to the next level, because this video would be a great resource for producers looking to improve their mixing skills in FL Studio by highlighting the key mixing tips and techniques in FL Studio. Viewers will be able to apply these concepts to their own tracks and achieve a polished and professional sound.